Thokozani, emakhosini, thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu, thokozani everyone that is watching this video. Sanibonani ninjani. So lana nginiphathele i-plug ma-perfume guys. Those of you that are crying gogo angithole umsebenzi gogo angisebenzi in nanani. Nayi nangumsebenzi ake uthi 70 ake uzama ukuthi 70 because uthi lalethi idalo lihleli la kuwe leti bethi business athi ifuna ukusebenzisa kusebenzela mlungu. Ngiba uthi ngithini uthola ukuthi inhlanhla yakho ituke business bafuna ukuthi uthengise wena ubhizi ugijimisana nebelungu ugijimisana nebantu abamnyama ufuna ukugucela abantu kani leti into ehlela kuwe atiguci yagucelwa tona. So guys nayi i-plug yena nifuna imisebenzi nayi i-plug. You can WhatsApp me on 0791372662 uto-joina. I-joining fee is 100 rands. Then uto-choose i-package lo ufuna kucala ngayo. Awaduri lama perfume guys. Stock price isicala ku as at 475 or 500 khona lapho. Now ufuna kwati ngizokusendela i-information yonke le uyidingako. Please do not WhatsApp me if awufuni ku-order. WhatsApp mina ngiwhatsappele naso ready wathi ukuthini gogo I wanna start this business, I wanna change my life, ngifuna kusebenza, ngifuna ukudisebenza. Ngiva ukuthi ngithini ngiwhatsappele naso uphethe imali ufuna ku-order. So uphatha imali ye-joining fee, imali yokucala ukuthi uthenge stoko, and then imali ye-delivery as well. So naso usho ukuthi ngiyathi kuthini gogo ngifuna ku-order because nangathi ngiyenza ama-calculations at least ube uphethe I think 750. Yeah, 750. It can be even less. I'm not sure because now I always order like in bulk. Yabo. So angakuthi wena uqala nga5 or nga10 or nga20 because mina I always start nga10 get to 10 20 30 angithengi below that. So now uthini ufuna kuthengisa ufuna ku-order at least iwe uphethe leyo mali, but I'm gonna verify everything and then ngikusendele everything ukuthi kuna package 1, kuna package 2, kuna package 3, which one do you want, which package do you want to start with. But make sure ukuthi mali delivery ikhona, i-joining fee which is 100 rands ikhona. It's once off guys. Once wa join awuphindanga wa join, even the next day I'll join, wa join namuhla next day I'll join, following year I'll join. You just buy stock phela. Ngiyawathanda ama perfume because anokulela kamnanzi ayasebenza. People are gonna keep coming. You understand? Akusema perfume lo uyigcobisa nyalo and then iphele ihambe nemoya. No, iyahlala empahleni even if uyayiwasha, but smell siyahlala. Yavakala ukuthi no man ngifake i-perfume lana, you know. So yeah guys, now that ukuthi you wanna start something, awuthathi ukuthi ungaqala kuphi. Akhona ama-perfume ungaqala ngawo uthi-70 awusebenzeli umuntu i-profit yakho, you keep everything, it's your business. Uyangi-understand, akusiyami yakho. So mina what I do is that ngikusita ukuthi ukhona ukuthi ujoyine, uyangi-understand, because awukhona ukuthi utijoyinise wena, awutijoyinisi wena akukavumeleleki, athini, it's not allowed. Let me just put it like that, it is not allowed. So now that ukuthini ufuna kujoyina, ufuna kuthengisa ama-perfume nawe, do WhatsApp me. I have different packages as well. Kuna this other brand as well. Utangitshela ukuthi ufuna yiphi, which one do you prefer, but yeah, let me just come here and then share this opportunity with you guys. Ngasho ukuthi ngintshela ngetinto temadloti kuphela kumbe temoya what that, and then I do not plug you when it comes to businesses, changing your life, money nani. Ngiyanplugga when it comes to everything, skincare, spirituality, money, business, uthi ukhona ukuthi utimele uphile nawe ube right. So thokozani emakhosini.